The QPV and MPV are ultra-high resolution, electro-pneumatic proportional pressure control valves designed specifically for applications where precision control is key. The QPV and MPV have made a difference in real-world applications across many industries, from microfluidics, medical device manufacturing, to high-pressure leak testing. The QPV and MPV boast a resolution of up to plus or minus 0.005% full scale in many applications, as well as a wide range of specifications and options that can be customized to fit your specific needs, including accuracy of plus or minus 0.2% full scale, repeatability of plus or minus 0.02% full scale, pressure ranges of vacuum through 150 psi, and an operating temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The QPV and MPV use a proportional valve setup, allowing for more stable control of your process. The graphs shown here illustrate how these units compare to a traditional solenoid valve setup. The true proportional valve eliminates digital stepping through your process. The QPV and MPV also come in a dual loop version. The two-loop version accepts the feedback from a wide range of external sensors. With external sense, the QPV2 or MPV2 can accept feedback from load cells, torque cells, pressure transducers, flow transducers, etc., or the unit can be mounted on a volume booster with feedback from a proportion air transducer to achieve higher flow rates with high resolution. The MPV has multiple different mounting options. The manifold mount, DIN rail, and panel mount options are perfect for freeing up space and increasing functionality. If you're looking for a reliable, high-resolution, high-performance pressure regulator to help improve your engineering project, the QPV or MPV is the perfect customized solution. Request a quote or speak to our team today to learn more about how Proportion Air's accurate, repeatable, and customizable solutions can benefit you.